This is a song I wrote about 8 years ago. I can understand the guys who like to see her hips in action when she's walking through the mall. She's a total distraction. Lips as red as an August tomato. Her hair bounces round like an F5 tornado. High school royalty, a teenage queen, a rock and roll sweet cakes boogie machine. Oh, boogie down, boogie round, boogie machine. It's the randomest boogie that I've ever seen. Everybody's dancing, see what I mean? Once you get infected, there is no vaccine. A high school royalty, a teenage queen, a rock and roll sweet cakes boogie machine. When she shrugs her shoulders, all the gawkers get excited. There's never been a party to which she was not invited. She never says no, she's never out of steam. She's going kind of steady with the basketball team. It's easy to find her in the middle of the crowd where the lights are shining bright and the music's playing loud. Oh, boogie down, boogie round, boogie machine. It's the randomest boogie that I've ever seen. Everybody's dancing, see what I mean? Once you get infected, there's no vaccine. Random boogie out of control. I guess it's time once again to rock and roll. Here we go. Hey, now where did she go? Oh, she's out on the floor. She's doing some kind of dance I never saw before. Levi's under pressure, she's testing the seams. If she kicks up any higher, she's gonna rip her jeans. Watch her wiggle, listen to her scream. She's a rock and roll teenage boogie machine. Boogie down, boogie round, boogie machine. It's the randomest boogie that I've ever seen. Everybody's dancing, see what I mean? Once you get infected, there's no vaccine. Random boogie, out of control. I guess it's time to rock and roll. Well, I guess it's time to rock and roll. I guess it's time to rock and roll. I guess it's time